Hi folks, in our packages we include alternate versions of your homepage. The content in the body is pretty much always going to be the same. It's just the header, the top part of the page is going to differ. Here's an example. We'll look at the index v3. I'll just preview that in my browser here and we'll pop that over so we can look at it here. There we go. So here's the index v3. So it has the same text, logo, menu bar, but the background, instead of a static image, it's a video. So it gives you a bit of a different option there if you want to have something really cool, or you can use this for its own standalone landing page. But how this video works, it's a YouTube background video. We use YouTube for two reasons. One is it will load into your site a lot faster. When you're loading resources from your server, typically your web browser can load resources faster than your web server can serve it out. So if we load, especially video, if we're loading video from an alternate server or source, YouTube, it will load much faster than trying to load a local video from your own server, and it won't be competing for resources from your own server. So essentially your page can load twice as fast or faster. That's reason number one. Number two is if you're loading video from your own server, there's a lot of configuration that has to go on. Number one, you have to have a large amount of file space and bandwidth. If you had a 400 megabit MP4 video, every time somebody watches that full video, that's 400 megabytes that is being used in your bandwidth. And websites that have smaller bandwidth allocations, you could have 10 visitors and that's it, you're done. You've used your traffic for the whole month. So that's one reason. And the other is the complication of setting up video in the page. You have to have your server set for certain MIME types, which is a media type that basically allows certain types of files to be played. And some web hosts by default have MP4, audio, those sort of things turned off, because if you're on a $2.99 a month hosting plan, they don't want you streaming a lot of video for $2.99 a month, because that's going to really chug down the resources of the server that you're on. So once again, loading it from YouTube gets around that. Okay, with that said, all we have to do to load in a different YouTube video is go to YouTube and find the video you want. So we're going to go to YouTube, find the video you want to have loaded in. We'll use this Unbox Therapy as an example here. I'll put it on pause. What we're going to do is we just need the video ID. Once you load up or find the video you want in the actual YouTube page, right in the address bar, this last piece right here after the equal sign, that is the video ID. So you just need to scrub over it, don't include the equal sign, but everything after that, and copy. Open up Dreamweaver, and there's two places that the video ID needs to be updated in your site. We're going to open up the site folder, the JavaScript folder, and we have components, and we have theme init. So we'll open up we'll go to the theme init first, and we'll sort of scroll on down. Right about here, around line 50 or so, all we're looking for is the YouTube background. There's the video ID. Double click on the existing ID and paste in the new one. Or you may need to scrub over the video ID between the single quotes and paste in the new one. Save. We go to components. Same idea here. We're going to scroll on down, and we're going to look for the YouTube background, and this one's a little further down the page, right here about line 217 or so, but we're looking for video ID, replace with your own, and save. Then we refresh the page and the new video loads in. As easy as that. No uploading, no downloading for you, unless of course you're using your own YouTube channel, which is probably a good idea, and it's free. You can load your own background video into the page just like that.